In this video, we are showing CPR only on child. CPR involves squashing of the heart between breastbone and the backbone is combined with the breathing, can supply oxygen to the lungs and circulating blood. Squashing of the heart is the only way the rescuer can keep the heart performing its function of pumping and circulating blood around the body. Check if there is no further or immediate danger to the rescuer or the child. Check for response. Gently tap the child and ask loudly, "Are you okay?" If the child is responsive, he or she will answer, "Move" or "Moon." Quickly check to see if the child has any injuries or needs medical assistance. If unresponsive, shout for help and ask to call emergency response system. In India, dial 108. Check for breathing. If the child is breathing, place him or her in recovery position. Immediately call emergency response system. Return quickly and recheck the child's condition frequently. If the child is not breathing, you will have to immediately commence CPR. First, you should kneel alongside the child in a position that will allow you to apply vertical pressure during compression. Next, visualize where the center of the child's chest is. Then place heel of one hand on the center of the chest. Keep the heel of another hand on the top of first hand and interlock the fingers of the hands. Be sure not to apply any pressure on child's ribs or abdomen. On performing compressions, you should pivot from the hips. That is, you should not rock back and forth. Position yourself so that you are directly above child's chest. Your compressing arm should be kept straight. Your bottom hand should remain in contact with the child's chest, and your shoulder should be directly above chest when compressions are delivered. You should allow chest to recoil completely after each compression. Each compression should depress the chest about 2 inches. Rate of chest compression should be 100 per minute.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Give 30 compressions in succession. Open the airway of the child by tilting the head back and lifting the chin up. Pinch the nose with one hand. Give 2 mouth-to-mouth breaths by sealing the child's mouth completely with yours. Each breath should last for 1 second. Observe for chest rise with every breath. If chest does not rise, adjust the head tilt chin lift position to open the airway again. If you are alone, perform CPR for 2 minutes before leaving the child and activating emergency response system and getting AED.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.